Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make squishy cubes as well as a water squishy, both using nano tape. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Before we get started, I do want to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Merge Gardens. Merge Gardens is a fun and casual game where you build your own garden that you get to fill up with trees, plants, really cute birds, butterflies, and so much more. You'll also have to solve mysteries surrounding your garden. This is a really fun and cozy game to play. I really enjoy the art style of this game. It's very much my aesthetic, so I love it for that reason, as well as the fact that whenever I'm filming videos and I'm like taking breaks in between, I like to unwind and relax by playing games. So Merge Gardens has been one of my recent picks. It's because you can really organize your garden and remove the trash, decorate it. It's just really satisfying to play overall. So yeah, if you've been recently looking a game to play, I would highly recommend you check out Merge Gardens. I will have the link for it in the description box, or you can download it by scanning the QR code on the screen. The best part about this game is that it's totally free to play, so be sure to check it out. Now back to today's video. The first thing you want to do is take a piece of paper and draw out your designs that you want to make. This is going to be a Pokemon themed video, so I decided to make Charmander, Bulbasaur, and Squirtle. You can do any designs that you like. So once I have the designs, I'm going in with my pen and I am going to trace out the designs, and then I'm going to go in with my colored pencils and color it all in. Like I said, you can do any designs that you like. This is just what I chose to do. Once you're happy with the designs, apply clear tape to the front and back, and this is going to waterproof the paper because I will be putting air dry clay in the squishy cubes and that will get the paper wet, so this step is going to prevent that. Next, using my pair of scissors, I'm going to cut these out. For now, I'm going to set these aside and start working on making the cubes. Now to make these cubes, you will need nano tape, so I'm going to go ahead and cut out a piece of the tape, and you want to make sure that your piece of tape is a square. So for each cube, you will need 6 squares, and all you want to do is just go ahead and stick these together like so. I'm going to pop in the Charmander face, and then I'm going to fill the cube using air dry clay and then put the final square on top to seal it in. And the final step is to remove the clear peelings from the nano tape. I'm going to do the same exact thing for the other 2 cubes as well. And here are these squishy cubes all done. These are so much fun to play with. They're very satisfying and super squishy. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make a water squishy. So in a bottle here, I have some water, and then I'm going to just color it using some acrylic paint, give it a good shake, and set that aside. I have my piece of nanotape here, which I'm going to go ahead and fold in half like so. Then I'm going to remove the peeling from the tape, and I'm going to blow dry this for about a minute on the highest setting of my hairdryer. Now this is to make sure that the tape is completely sealed so that there's no opening so that it doesn't leak. Now all I'm going to do is go ahead and fill this up. Now once you've filled it up, you want to go in with your hairdryer again to really make sure that this is completely sealed and so that it doesn't pop. So here you can see that I'm kind of bunching up all of the extra tape together, and this is going to really ensure that it does not pop or leak. Using air dry clay, I'm making ears for Pikachu. I'm going to quickly pop those on, and then using acrylic paint, we're going to paint on the face. And here is the Pikachu water squishy all done. This is so much fun to play with. I love the little Pikachu face on it. And that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.